Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shekin, and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. A couple weeks ago, we talked about our TruLock abutments. These are the new peak material, medical grade abutments that can be snapped right onto the O-ball implant and prepped in the mouth if you need to, and take an impression just like a standard crown and bridge impression. Here's one of those abutments on this model. It's very important to remember to put the flat side forward. Why is it that we want the flat side forward? It's because when the dental lab makes the crowns, they have more room for porcelain by having the flat side forward. Of course, that flat side also is an anti-rotational flat side so that the crown wouldn't rotate and loosen. In addition to that, and this is very hard to remove once it's pushed on, but I got it off, inside the TruLock abutment is a square internal anti-rotational surface. That square will only snap on to the square portion of the implant. So you want the square part of the implant to be facing the buccal as well, especially in the anterior of the mouth. Posterior of the mouth may not be that important, but in the anterior, where you want to have as much room for porcelain, you want the square to be facing the front on the implant, and then you'll put that TruLock abutment right on top of the O-ball implant. Now when you put it on, make sure you push it down very hard. It's not just finger pressure. You need to use an instrument like a back of a mirror handle or a hemostat, and use that and then press on top of that very hard to insert it and lock it in so that it's seated very firmly and tight. That is what we want to do with these TruLock abutments. And then of course you can prep them. We also have our shorter TruLock abutments. That's for the posterior of the mouth. That's a wider, shorter one, and that's going to be available within a short time. The other thing I want to make sure is you don't forget to bill for these abutments. Bill the insurance company for the abutment on these implants. See the bottom of this screen for the ADA billing code for these TruLock abutments, and don't forget to call our friendly sales staff to find out what special offers we have on both the TruLock abutments and the new TruLock O-caps that we talked about last week. I look forward to seeing you again soon, and sign up for our September course. Gordon Christensen's coming to town. See you next week.